When it comes to confidence, this is about choosing yourself. And I know that so many of you have heard, you've got to make the choice, you've got to make the choice. But it really comes down to this. Is the alternative worth it? Is the alternative of insecurity, worrying about people's thoughts about you, their opinions, their comments, allowing self-judgment to derail you putting out content? Are these things worth it? How precious is your life to you? How precious is your business to you? I'm saying to you that you are precious and you are worthy of doing whatever it takes to be tunnel vision as much as you can, to say, I choose me. And this feeling of stability and security and relaxation is worth it to me.